Yeah, it was very rough now. It was hard to get by. We got on with it now, but there's places just as maybe as bad as here. So we have to try and. We had visitors from Greece, and we had visitors from Cork, and visitors from London, and we had no power, but we got over it.
One of your neighbours, she's in a difficult situation. There was a lot of damage at her property,
Yes.
and she's not able to come home.
No, because there's no way in really. There's trees across the driveway, and there's slates missing off the house since the storm before that. So it's it's not great at the minute in there now, you know.
Yeah.
So she's in respite at the minute, and she's mad to come home. So we'll have to fathom out a way to get her in if we can. So
But she wants to come home.
she wants to come home.
This is her home her whole life.
This is her home all her life, yeah.